Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, tech enthusiasts and innovators. You've tuned into Tech Dream Gear, your go-to channel for exploring how cutting-edge technologies are revolutionizing industries across the globe. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines the power of technology with the backbone of our civilization, agriculture. Let's explore how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is transforming farms into high-tech hubs of efficiency and sustainability. Whether you're a farmer, tech enthusiast, or someone passionate about sustainable living, this episode is packed with insights for you. So grab a seat and let's begin. The agricultural revolution, a new wave with IoT. The agricultural industry has come a long way from manual plowing and traditional irrigation systems. Today, the sector faces unique challenges: feeding a growing population, minimizing environmental impact, and optimizing limited resources. Enter IoT, a technological game-changer that connects devices, sensors, and data analytics to empower smarter decision-making on farms. What is IoT in agriculture? IoT in agriculture refers to a network of connected devices and sensors used to monitor, manage, and optimize farming processes. By collecting real-time data on soil conditions, weather patterns, livestock health, and more, farmers can make informed decisions, reduce waste, and maximize productivity. Applications of IoT in agriculture. 1. Smart irrigation systems. Traditional irrigation methods often result in water wastage. IoT-enabled irrigation systems use sensors to monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, ensuring crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. This approach conserves water while promoting healthier crop growth. 2. Precision farming. Precision farming involves the use of IoT devices to analyze data and optimize farming practices. Drones equipped with sensors can monitor crop health, identify pest infestations, and assess plant growth. GPS-enabled machinery ensures accurate planting and harvesting, minimizing resource wastage. 3. Livestock monitoring. IoT devices like wearable sensors can track livestock health and behavior in real time. These devices monitor vital signs, location, and activity levels, alerting farmers to potential health issues or unusual behavior, thereby reducing mortality rates and improving animal welfare. 4. Climate monitoring and forecasting. IoT weather stations provide hyperlocal climate data, helping farmers predict weather changes and plan their activities accordingly. This information is invaluable for deciding planting times, preventing frost damage, or mitigating the effects of droughts and storms. 5. Automated equipment and robotics. IoT-powered machinery, such as self-driving tractors and robotic harvesters, enhances efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. These machines are equipped with sensors to navigate fields, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks with precision. 6. Supply chain optimization. IoT extends beyond the farm to optimize supply chains. Sensors can monitor the temperature and humidity of perishable goods during transit, ensuring produce reaches markets in optimal condition and reducing food waste. Benefits of IoT in agriculture. 1. Increased efficiency. IoT devices automate and streamline labor-intensive tasks, allowing farmers to focus on strategic decision-making. 2. Resource optimization. By providing accurate data on resource usage, IoT helps conserve water, fertilizers, and energy. 3. Enhanced sustainability. IoT minimizes environmental impact by reducing waste, lowering greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting eco-friendly practices. 4. Improved crop yields. Real-time monitoring and precision farming techniques lead to healthier crops and higher yields. 5. Reduced costs. Automation and optimized resource management reduce operational costs, increasing profitability for farmers. Challenges and considerations. While IoT offers immense potential, its adoption comes with challenges. 1. High initial costs. Implementing IoT systems can be expensive, posing a barrier for small-scale farmers. 2. Connectivity issues. Rural areas often lack reliable internet connectivity, limiting the functionality of IoT devices. 3. Data security. As farms become connected, ensuring data security and protecting against cyber threats becomes crucial. 4. Skill requirements. Farmers need technical knowledge to operate and maintain IoT systems effectively. Future of IoT in agriculture. The future of IoT in agriculture looks promising. Advances in 5G connectivity, AI-driven analytics, and blockchain for supply chain transparency will further enhance IoT applications. Governments and private organizations are investing in smart farming initiatives to make IoT accessible to farmers worldwide. IoT is revolutionizing agriculture, offering solutions to some of the industry's most pressing challenges. By leveraging IoT, farmers can boost efficiency, improve sustainability, and secure a brighter future for agriculture. If you're excited about the potential of IoT, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Tech Dream Gear.